The Tyre Sensors Not Detected error on your Ford C-Max from 2010 to 2019 indicates an issue with the tire pressure monitoring system. The tire pressure monitoring system uses battery-powered sensors inside each tire to wirelessly transmit pressure and temperature data to your vehicle's computer. Common causes of this error include dead sensor batteries, which typically last 5 to 7 years, complete sensor failure, or a disrupted relearn process where the system fails to recognize the sensors. Start diagnosing by performing a visual inspection of the tires and wheels. Look for any obvious damage, corrosion, or issues with the valve stems. If no visible damage is found, use an OBD2 scanner to check for specific fault codes. For example, C002 indicates an issue with the left front sensor. Most TPMS issues in the C-Max stem from battery failure, meaning sensor replacement is often necessary. Additionally, aftermarket wheels can interfere with the wireless sensor signals. If the sensors are functioning properly, you may need to perform a TPMS relearn to resolve the fault. Ford's official app or an OBD2 scanner can help initiate the relearn process, allowing you to do it without visiting a dealership. The manual relearn process involves driving above 25 miles per hour or 40 kilometers per hour to let the ECU scan for sensor IDs. For faster results, use a TPMS reset tool, which costs around $100 and speeds up the process. If the issue persists, replacing the sensors is likely required. New sensors cost $50 to $150 per tire. Use compatible 4 to 33 MHz sensors and consider replacing all 4 sensors at once to avoid future issues. After replacement, perform the relearn procedure again to ensure the system recognizes the new sensors. Replace sensors every 5 years as proactive maintenance to prevent future faults. Third-party apps are also available for DIY fixes and monitoring.